Ever crushed a massive project only to watch your boss hand all the glory to the coworker who just quotes their favorite movie names all day? It feels incredibly unfair, right? Because frankly, it is unfair. And this is called workplace favoritism. What you're experiencing actually has a formal name in psychology. It's called leader-member exchange theory. Basically, it means managers subconsciously sort their employees into two buckets: the in-group and the out-group. The in-group gets the best projects and the fast-tracked promotions, and the out-group gets, well, micromanaged. It's like being left out of a secret club where the only way to make a comeback is by pleasing your boss. Why does this happen? We are biologically hardwired for tribalism. Look at a famous study from Georgetown University on this exact same topic. A staggering 92% of executives admitted they have seen workplace favoritism dictate employee promotions. 92%. That's an absolute epidemic. In the 70s, psychologist Henry Tachfel ran an experiment. He randomly divided strangers into groups based on something completely meaningless, whether they liked a specific painting. Instantly, people started hoarding rewards for their own arbitrary group and actively penalizing other groups. They didn't even know these people, yet they fiercely favored them. And your boss is doing the exact same thing. They have formed a minimal group around their favorite, based on shared hobbies or similar backgrounds. So how do we fix this? Understand that your boss's bias is probably a subconscious psychological blind spot, rather than a conscious attack on your values. Try to align your values. You don't have to be a creep, but you do need to find common values. Does your boss prioritize speed or accuracy? Align your values with their core professional values. Because when you align your values with your manager's core goals, you make yourself absolutely undeniable now. You force them to look past their biases and see your tangible value. If you understand this frustrating dynamic, you will build the exact leadership skills that will eventually make you a phenomenal and fair manager. So let that colleague have his small talk. You are going to focus on finding that common value and make your results impossible to ignore.